Sonic Drive-In, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Sonic Drive-In. Sonic Drive-In is an iconic American fast food chain that revolutionizes the dining experience with its unique drive-in concept. Founded in 1953 by Troy Smith Sr. in Shawnee, Oklahoma, Sonic Drive-In is renowned for its innovative car hop service and nostalgic ambiance. The brand earns its revenue primarily from selling classic fast food items such as burgers, hot dogs, fries, beverages, and desserts. Today, Sonic Drive-In continues to grow and adapt to modern trends while preserving its retro charm. Anecdote. One of the pioneering franchisees started with a modest location, and his early success inspired many local entrepreneurs. How does a Sonic Drive-In franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Sonic Drive-In operates as a franchise system where independent operators adhere to strict brand standards and procedures. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of approximately $45,000 along with ongoing royalty fees of 5%, 8%, and marketing fees of around 5% of annual revenue. Support from Sonic Drive-In. The brand provides extensive support through comprehensive training, operational guidance, and targeted marketing campaigns.
Anecdote. An early franchisee's modest start became a motivational success story for many aspiring investors.
Entry costs for Sonic Drive-In. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total initial investment ranges from $66,900 to $31,4900, covering franchise fees, store build-out, equipment, inventory, training, and renovations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue is approximately $151,000, with performance varying by location and management.
Anecdote. One entrepreneur surpassed his revenue expectations within months, showcasing the substantial potential of the Sonic Drive-In model.
Step by step. How to register a Sonic Drive-In franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Registration begins by contacting the franchise development team, which evaluates the candidate's potential. Documentation. A complete business plan, financial records, and detailed location information are required. Duration. The entire process typically lasts from 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One candidate impressively completed the registration in just 3 months, earning widespread local acclaim.
Taxes and fees in Sonic Drive-In. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Ranges from 10% to 37% of annual revenue. Property taxes. Comprise 1%, 5% of annual revenue, covering only lease, ownership costs. State and local taxes. Additional taxes including sales tax, use tax, and local fees total about 1%, 3% of revenue. Licensing fees. Approximately 0.5% to 1% of annual revenue. Marketing fees. Fixed at around 5% of annual revenue.
Anecdote. One owner's meticulous tax management even led him to educate local students about business percentages.
Hiring employees in Sonic Drive-In. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. Typically, a Sonic Drive-In outlet employs between 10 and 15 staff members. Training costs. Training expenses range from $300 to $700 per employee, covering both classroom and on-the-job instruction. Training systems. A hybrid approach combining in-person and online training ensures rapid and effective onboarding.
Anecdote. A memorable training session once featured a contest for the best customer service technique, which became an annual tradition.
Sonic Drive-In, operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, ingredients and resources. Monthly costs range from $15,000 to $25,000. Salaries and benefits. Monthly payroll expenses range from $1,000 to $2,000. Rent and utilities. Rent costs are between $5,000 and $15,000 per month, with utilities adding an extra $1,000 to $3,000. Maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance and repairs cost between $500 and $1,000 per month. Licensing and marketing fees. Monthly fees range from $3,500 to $8,000. Total of all taxes. Combined monthly taxes are approximately $3,000 to $5,000.
Anecdote. One franchise owner's implementation of a modern cost monitoring system dramatically reduced his expenses, establishing a new benchmark for efficiency.
Training and support. How does Sonic Drive-In help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. A comprehensive 2-week training program is provided to new franchisees. Operational support. Ongoing support through regular visits from regional managers ensures operational excellence. E-learning platform. Up-to-date online training modules offer continuous skill development. Marketing. National and local advertising campaigns help boost brand awareness and sales.
Anecdote. After completing the training program, one franchisee launched a local promotion that doubled his customer base in a few months.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Sonic Drive-In. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Corporate teams conduct quarterly inspections to ensure compliance with brand standards. Internal inspections. Annual audits verify that quality and service remain high. Frequency. Inspections are typically performed 3 to 4 times per year.
Anecdote. A surprise inspection once earned one outlet high praise for impeccable organization, significantly boosting its reputation.
Profitability of Sonic Drive-In. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Average net profit margins range between 10% and 20%. ROI. The typical payback period is 5 to 7 years. Success factors. Critical factors for success include strategic location, efficient management, and strong customer loyalty.
Anecdote. One outlet recouped its investment in just 5 years, serving as an inspiring model for future franchisees.
10. Sonic Drive-In in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. Over 3,500 outlets operate in the USA. Growth and expansion. The brand experiences an annual growth of 3-5% in new outlet openings. Challenges and forecast. Continuous investment in new technologies and menu innovation helps maintain a competitive edge.
Anecdote. Recent digital innovations such as a revamped mobile ordering system have led to record-breaking sales in several regions, promising a bright future.
11. Pros and cons of a Sonic Drive-In franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Unique drive-in dining experience with nostalgic appeal. B. Strong brand identity with a loyal customer base. C. Proven franchise system with comprehensive support. D. Diverse menu appealing to various age groups. Cons. A. High initial investment, 669200, 3140900. B. Operational challenges inherent to the drive-in model, e.g. car hop service. C. Intense competition in the fast food market. D. Fluctuating ingredient costs impacting profit margins.
Anecdote. One determined franchisee overcame significant challenges to become a regional leader, setting a powerful example for aspiring investors.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Conduct thorough market analysis. Financial assessment. Evaluate your financial capacity and potential returns. Consultations with experts. Seek guidance from industry professionals. Support evaluation. Assess the support provided by the franchisor. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully review contractual terms and conditions.
Anecdote. One savvy investor, after extensive research and expert consultations, avoided a costly mistake and launched a highly profitable outlet in record time.
Conclusion. Who is the Sonic Drive-In franchise for, and is it worth investing? Sonic Drive-In is an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurial individuals seeking to invest in a unique drive-in dining concept that blends tradition with modern innovation. With an initial investment ranging from $66,900 to $31,4900 and a typical payback period of 5 to 7 years, the franchise offers stable revenue and substantial growth potential in the competitive fast food market. Anecdote. One local owner not only recouped his investment rapidly, but also became a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs, proving that passion and robust brand support lead to spectacular success. Bibliography. Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Hardee's Carl's Jr. Is Hardee's Carl's Jr. a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.